Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm one of the countryside officers for Test Valley Borough Council, and we are at Anton Lakes Local Nature Reserve. This time of year we're thinking about potentially doing some scrub clearance, coppicing, hedge laying, and then when we move into the warmer months we're looking a lot more survey work, so looking at what animals and plants live on the sites. So as well as the scenic walks around Anton Lakes, we've also got something for the kids, so they can come down and use the play area as well as exploring and investigating the wildlife we've got on site.